Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, August 26th, 2015. Take a look at the rally on the spiders. The reason why I want to start with this is because I put out a video earlier on our blog, free blog. We put it all over the internet, and basically we were hovering on this pattern right in this range right here. It was right around 12 to 1 p.m. Eastern time that I did the video, and I said to you in the video, crystal clear, go watch it again if you need help or want to see it predicted. I said markets are going to rip later today. We are going to move up. We are going back to the highs of the day, potentially higher, maybe even testing this level right here. Look at what the market did after that. I mean, think about the move. Look at the spiders today, up $7.18, and right here, when I made that prediction, we were literally up $1.50 on the spiders. So that's a $5.50 move on the SPY off of that call. Now, I want to explain why I knew this, and then ultimately how we profited from it, not only that move, but some other options as well. But the key was to understand that the gap up today was going to be sold a little bit. All right, the gap up today was going to be sold because anyone who got caught off guard, which was a majority of people yesterday, they were going to fear the move today on the gap up was going to fall back. So understand the psychology. Understanding psychology is legitimately the way to become an expert trader. It's what our PPT methodology is based off. Price, pattern, and time all are created because it's the psychology of the human being. That's what it is, folks. All right, why do people buy at double bottoms? Psychologically, it's a level. Why do people sell at double tops? Psychologically, it's a level. Okay? Why on a time count do people buy or sell? Psychologically, it just makes people want to do it. It's just the nature of the beast. So bottom line is this. When you gapped up today, the psychology of the investor was, yesterday I got crushed. This was a very scary move. You know, all the pundits out there, all the CNBC people, they said, holy crap, this is bad. So when the markets gapped up today, they said, well, yesterday it gapped up and look what happened, so today it's going to do the same thing. Now, if you listened to me yesterday, I said we're going to go higher today. The prediction was there, and that's exactly what we did. But the thought process, but with the majority of investors, was that we were going to see some selling, and that's what happened. But notice this controlled selling here. It wasn't a vertical drop like yesterday. It was controlled here. That told you that we were going to go back up. If it was sharper, maybe we would have gone down, but this was more of a bullish in spirit of bull flag. The markets start to rip higher. We go up. How do I profit from this? Today I put out some trades. Yesterday we bought the QQQ at the end of the day. Take a look at that today. We already took percentage profits on that. Look at this move on the Qs today, guys. Look at that. Almost 5%. Get this, guys. In 3 days, in the Research Center, which is a swing trading service, I give out swing trade alerts that I take in the Research Center. I've given out 3 trades on the QQQ. That's 3 trades, guys, in 3 days. We have made 15% total gain on the QQQ, which is the NASDAQ. Think about that. Markets don't move 15% in a year. Sometimes. In this market, in 3 days, our members have made 15%. Okay, in addition, when I knew the markets were going to make a move here, and you know, you should kick yourself if you didn't sign up right there when you saw that video, or if you didn't buy when the free video was posted when I said the markets were going to rally up. Because what we did was, we bought calls on the spiders. Just in the afternoon move, 45% gain. We took our profits, said thank you very much. In addition, I also loved the Yahoo chart, also thinking China's going to, I expected 5 to 10% rally in China tonight, and therefore, I bought Yahoo calls, already up 30% on those. And I think we'll make a lot more because Alibaba should go up sharply tomorrow, and that will take Yahoo up as well. So, I mean, we should be looking at 50 to 75% gains in Yahoo in a 24-hour period on these calls. Okay? But bottom line is, guys, this is how you trade. It blows my mind that a lot of these so-called experts out there can't see what I saw in the charts. It is so clear to me. Okay? And again, I mean, just simple shit. Excuse my language, but it drives me insane. This move reversal, look at this move. This was the gap down 3 days ago on Monday, right? That reversal, all of these choppy moves here, and what scared so many people yesterday when we gave up those gains, this was all inside bar action inside of this move up. That's bullish consolidation. Yeah, sure, it's whippy because obviously when markets had literally crashed here, I mean, the spiders were at 198, we went to 182. So, needless to say, you're going to chop 5, 6 points up and down, and it's still in the upper ranges of this move. But that's bullish consolidation. And the fact that you got so many bears to be on one side of the freaking market after yesterday's sell-off even was more reiteration that we were going to go higher today. But, just if you know price pattern and time here, that's all you needed to know. And, the profits this week alone for chat room members, for Research Center, for options, unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. All right, and I just want to reiterate, last thing right here, look at the updated track record. We just updated it. We had our team do it. And again, this is third-party verified. What you want to do is click on the Research Center if you like swing trade alerts on stocks. Go right here. You want to see the track record. Check this out. Just go down to the bottom here. Click on track record. 653% net gain in 2015 now. There's the latest Q's trade. Look at this. Bought yesterday, 99.15. Sold today at 102.35. One day. Just look at the last two. Here was 824, and we sold it the same day for a 3% gain. And then we bought again on 824 and sold it the next day at 825 for a 4.29% gain. Insanity. Insanity, guys. That's in 3 days, 3 trades on the Qs. And then we got an Apple in there for 7.5%. Apple is the biggest company out there. In addition, you want to see something nutty? Go to the options alerts. Options alerts for those of you that like options. Here's our track record. All right, here's the spiders that I closed out today. I'm still holding the Yahoo calls, but 44.44% just in one day. Literally today, we bought and we sold. So you can see right here, bought the calls, the 195 strikes on expiration was 10/16, so the October expiration. Entry date 8/26. We bought at 360, sold it at 520 on 8/26 today. And again, third-party verified. Look, we're over 2,500% gain in 2015. And again, third-party verified. So you can see our losses here. We don't try to hide that. It is what it is. You're never perfect. But the point is, can you win way more than you lose? And that's the key. And that's what we do. So come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. My suggestion is you take the free trial to the Research Center. And if you're into options, go right to the options and get the options. Or do both. You might as well take the free trial regardless. Even if you do options, take the Research Center free trial because we do videos and teach you in that as well, and it makes more sense. All right, guys, thanks as always for being members. Those of you that are. If you're not, best decision you'll ever make. Take